In this video I will show you 5 features and hacks and tricks for iPhone. But it's not part 1, it's part 2. If you want to see part 1, click on top. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Farzad and today I'm going to show you 5 features and hacks and tricks for iPhone. You probably didn't know about this. Before that, don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video. Okay, let's go. Increase volume. For increase volume, you should go to the settings, go down and find the music, EQ, and choose late night, and your volume will be increased. Full page screenshot. For full page screenshot, you need to go to the Safari, for example this page, and I got a screenshot. Tap on a screenshot and tap on full page, and now you can see the full page. Tap on done, save PDF to files, on iPhone save, and you can see your screenshot and it's full page. Yeah, isn't cool? Text shortcut. For using this option, you need to go to the settings, go down, general, keyboard, text replacement. Tap on plus, for example, hello, and the shortcut it's H. Save that and we test that here. For example, H, it's working for your number, for your credit card, and other things. Measure. For example, I want to measurement that. Just search measure and it's here. Okay, I add point here to here. 19 centimeter, and it's real. Notes lock. If you want to lock your notes, you should go to the notes, and for example this, hold your hand here, tap on lock notes. For example 1 2 3 4, it's the password. And if you get out from here and back to the notes, you can see it's had a passcode. I think it's very useful. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video.